Hi everyone, my name is Alyssa Bieber, and like the normal joke I like to make, it is said as Bieber, not Bieber, but it is spelled exactly like Justin Bieber, and no, I am not related to him. First, I'd like to apologize for this crazy background. As you can see, I'm recording in the room that I also share with my child. And with that being said, I am a mother of two. I have a 4-year-old that will be 5 on April 1st, and also a 20-month-old. He'll be 2 on July 27th. So those two definitely keep me busy on top of this new MSW program that I'm so excited to be in. A little background on me. I got my undergrad degree in criminal justice through Temple University. I also went to Delaware County Community College to get my associate's degree in criminal justice as well. And I have been working in the criminal justice field for about 2 to 3 years. I first started off at the State Correctional Institution in Chester, Pennsylvania. Then I went ahead as a program counselor, and I also did some data entry work in there as well between 2 different companies. And then I went ahead and moved on to the Chester County Youth Center, which is located in Westchester, Pennsylvania, and that is a juvenile detention center where I was a youth officer and security control officer. So why did I decide to pursue an MSW degree? I knew I wanted to get my master's, but I really at first was so unsure of what I wanted to get my master's in. Unfortunately, I didn't go ahead and get a minor when I was an undergrad, and that was one of my goals, and I was actually going to do a psych minor. So trying to figure out in the field what was right for me. I love to help people. I'm a very empathetic person, understanding. I go out of my way for others when I probably shouldn't. And then I found my love for helping others by working with also those who suffer from addiction, because I personally had a few loved ones who suffered and currently suffers from drug and alcohol addiction. So that's where I found my niche of really wanting to help people. And I kind of just stumbled across an MSW program. I started doing a lot of research online. I was initially going to get into a LPC program at Immaculata University because I knew I wanted to do some type of help, some type of counseling, but I just wasn't sure exactly where that, was going to fit in with my goals. And I got a little extra help from some individuals who were in an MSW program, as well as my therapist. She recommended looking into social work and reading about social work and what the point of a social worker is. Really just gave me the greatest idea of getting into this opportunity, and I feel like this is going to open up a lot more doors for me within the field of not only criminal justice, but social work, human services, social services. Ultimately, my goals are obviously to help people. I would love to end up in pretty much something that falls right in between corrections, social work, human services, whether that's being a social worker in a prison, within reentry, working in a rehab facility with those who are also coming out of jail, prison, stuff like that. Any way that I can intertwine that. So I'm super excited to meet more classmates if we have not been in class together already. And this is a really cool experience having this all online. Sorry I'm rambling about myself. I'm super excited to meet everyone and can't wait to get started on this course. Talk to you all soon.